Hey everyone, this is Taz and welcome back to my channel. I have a new Tesla accessory I want to share with you guys. It's this Frunk Cooler Organizer and this is from BASENOR. I do a lot of road trips and Tesla camping, so I'd been looking for something like this. So this is very compact and it fits perfectly in the frunk. This is designed to fit perfectly in the frunk of Model 3, Y and X. I'm gonna open the zipper. Look at the inside, it's insulated, so it will keep everything cold or warm, so it will maintain the temperature. It's pretty spacious and has enough room for drinks, beverages, snacks, and a lot of things can be kept in here. We can have a perfect picnic setup and has additional storage on the front. So here is the zippered pocket. Even this is insulated and it also has a mesh pocket. Some of the amazing features are it's lightweight and durable, made with high quality fabric. So the inside is lined with food grade reflective aluminum foil and waterproof PVC for thermal efficiency. Before heading out on a road trip or camping, here's what I do. I fill the cooler with ice. And then load it with my favorite drinks, beverages and fresh fruits. So this way everything stays fresh and cool for hours. This is perfect. I kept everything that has to stay cool in the main compartment, so I'm gonna close this. I love the additional storage. When I'm going for a picnic or camping, I'll have more things. So I'm going to keep a few plates, knife for slicing fruits, can opener, scissors, more snacks in here. So this is also easy access. I'm not done yet. I have more things. So I'm going to keep a few silverware and towels in the mesh pocket. I tested this on a recent road trip and it worked perfectly. The insulation kept our drinks chilled for over 5 hours. This cooler isn't just for storing drinks and it doesn't have to be always kept in the frunk. We can get creative with it. So we packed our lunch and we took it to the park, or we can even take it to the beach and we can enjoy a relaxing time outdoors. I also use this cooler to store my takeout food. So when I pick up a pizza or a hot meal, I pop it in the cooler for the 30-minute drive home. So the insulation is so perfect. It keeps the food warm and fresh until I get home. So no more cold pizza nights. I absolutely love this cooler. It's functional and stylish and I highly recommend this. I'll post the link to buy in the description below. Check that out. Next, I'm going to share one more cool product with you guys. It's also from BASENOR. So it came in this compact box. So I'm going to unbox it. It's the 2024 newest Windshield Sunshade. I know it looks like an umbrella. It has an umbrella style design. It's very compact and easy to install. So it goes on the front window. I'm gonna install this, slightly open the umbrella and position it against the windshield. Here is the handle. We can rotate the handle. So keep the handle behind the screen and keep it straight so it has to touch the dashboard. On the center there is a velcro. Stick that and then tug the edges under the visors. So it fits perfectly with no gaps, ensuring full coverage. This is super easy install. Unlike traditional sunshades, there is no need for constant adjustments or struggling with flimsy materials. So the design prevents sunlight from sneaking through the edges, so keeping our Tesla cool and comfortable. This is how it works. It works on ice crystal cooling technology. So it has nano ice crystal particles embedded in the fabric. So it blocks 99% of UV rays and heat. So it significantly reduces the cabin temperature. I would say this is a must-have accessory, especially in summer when the car is parked outside or on the driveway for long hours, or when camping, or if you live in a warm place like Florida or California. It blocks almost 99% of UV rays and ensures dashboard, leather seats and other interior components are protected from UV damage. I love using the sunshade when I take a nap during long road trips, so it blocks out the sunlight completely, keeping the cabin cool and private. It's very easy to take it off, so the retractable umbrella design means it's quick to deploy and store, so no folding struggles. It's very lightweight and compact, so storing is also easy. After folding, we can keep this in the door pocket. I'm pretty organized, so I have storage boxes under the seats, so I keep the sunshade in the box, so it's always there when I need it, and it also comes with a lid, so I can close the box with the lid. So if you're looking for a sunshade that really works, this is the one. So I'll post the link to buy in the description below. Check that out. One of the products from BASENOR that I'm really happy about is this screen protector, so I don't have to deal with fingerprints and no more glare. I keep my Tesla pretty organized. I have this tray under the screen. This is very convenient. I can keep small items like sunglasses or phone, so it's easy access. I don't have to dig through the center console to find them. And I also have this organizer tray in my center console. I have a tray in the armrest as well, so I can keep cables, coins, keys, and there's a hidden tray under the armrest. Look at this. So I can keep wallet and cash, pretty convenient. So I can even take the tray out and keep everything organized. Here's the storage box under the seat, so I keep my hat, umbrella in here, so it fits perfectly. It also comes with a lid, however I don't keep the lid because I find while driving the lid keeps sliding away. I even kept storage bins in my trunk on both the sides, so it has lid. I can store a lot of things in here, so it fits perfectly and looks like it came with Tesla. So it's made of high quality material, it's waterproof, and the lid cover, it matches Tesla's interior. All these products are from BASENOR and they are having Black Friday deal on all these products, so I'll post the link in the description below. Check that out. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more Tesla videos. Until then, take care everyone and bye!